What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. I'm outside of Scottsdale, Cave Creek area. It is very nice over here, man. There's some condos and apartments over here, and everything is high scale. Like, this stuff is nice. I'm gonna have to show it to you. I seen one, gonna lie. It was a house in the rocks, and I was like, I want me a house in the rocks. Check it out. Very nice complex. Very nice. It's a nice area. This is a gated community. I had to put in a code to get in here, and it's probably like, man, I don't know how many units it is back here. Like, it's on the real, and they cuffed off. And I'm telling you, they cuffed off away from the BS. They are away from everything. You know, sometimes it takes you seeing others live better for you to amp your game up. You know what I mean? I think that's motivational. You know, don't hate and be like, oh, they got it all, what they doing with it. Oh, man, you don't know how these folks worked hard. But it's a motivational for you to get your game there. And if you see those rails up there, that's what I'm gonna be working on. So we'll be putting in, I'm gonna be going around with this company, helping them put handrails and little stuff like that, small ornamental iron in, installation, steps, stairs, stuff like that, gates like this. I'll be fixing these and installing things like that. Simple, actually. I think we're gonna have to fix this one. This probably be one of the fixes right here. As you see, it's got bent. So 9 to my 10, I'm gonna be cutting this out, welding a new piece in there, cleaning it up. So, you know, we're going around and keeping stuff good, because these apartments, you know, they want their stuff to look good. You know, they don't want no rinky-dink stuff. So, you know, hey man, I feel good to be out here networking. Like I say, you never know. You never know. Hold on.